Hello guys, this is Mashed Potato here.
And we're here with some special guests, our cousins, McKenna and Mara. And we found a bigger LOL Surprise Confetti Pop doll. So tell us about it, McKenna.
So it comes with 9 surprises, and there is a string in there that you have to put.
Okay, so let's get opening this. So first we have to pull this off, which is kind of difficult. So let's do this. We have some scissors today, just in case we need to open some bags. So they're really tough. Okay, here you go, Mara. You can open
Oh, that's a secret
this
message.
layer.
So where's? Oh, there.
This, that. Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Okay. Okay, so we're trying to get this open again with the other two that we got.
Ball.
Wow, that's a really pretty gold ball.
And it has zigzags.
Whoa. Look, you can see a little bit of the gold ball. Oh, what just dropped? Whoa, it's a little like confetti pop list or something. It looks like there's 4 of them on the outside and a little mystery.
But first we gotta say the message. It's rock the beat. Rock the beat.
Let's do it! Rock the beat!
Rock the beat.
Would you need help?
Wait, I think I got it. So here's
Here.
same thing.
I'll help you with this. These are very tough.
Can I do it? I'm really good at
Here you go.
I think you have to open this down first.
Okay, well, you can do that. So, brought scissors just in case. And I can't believe this is Rock the Beat, because that's awesome. And he's getting that open so fast, and we probably couldn't do that fast. Did you get it open?
No, it's only just half open.
Oh my,
Oh,
that's really tough. Do you need help? Do you need scissors?
I got it.
I think I can tell you about this.
Here, McKenna. So what do we do now?
So I think we have to take this off.
Wait, let's read what it
I know what the other thing is.
Okay, start here. Start right there.
Put it in the middle.
Here. So we're going to start right here. And then
Yeah.
open one of these. Open one of these. Like, here, Mari, do you want to help us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So first, let's do it. So you have to spin this. Oh.
Whoa. And then,
Take
you
the
want to take this
sticker
off?
off.
Here, let me help.
No.
Can you take the sticker off? Perfect. We got the sticker off. This little flower shape. Okay, so now open one of the doors. Just one of the doors.
This one's so hard.
Do you want
Here,
me to
let's
help?
try
So those are very
this
difficult.
door. There, I got a door. And we have a surprise in here. So can you get that out with your little fingers?
No,
You want me to try?
no, it isn't. I think I can get it.
Yeah. Maybe we need to open several doors to get this one out. Let's try to open this one too. There we go. Now we got the surprise out.
Now it's time to
Here,
open.
you want to help with
Whoa.
scissors?
Here. I think this one.
Wait, now show them how that we open the doors.
So to open the doors, you have to spin it like this so it's opened. And then we need to pop the doors open like this and keep spinning it to open another surprise.
Okay, guys,
Pull it
so
out.
first we got our first surprise here. And we got a little milk carton, it looks like. And on it says,
No, you have to.
missing. Have you seen me? Meow.
Oh, then
This is
we
really
we
cute.
found another one too.
Oh, we found another one. Do you need help with scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you can open this one, Mara. Oh, here. There's a little. There, open it. See what you got. Oh, they're little shoes. Here,
Oh,
let me
wait,
see.
whoa. First, we gotta open
Whoa,
it
it's the pulley thingy.
with the string. So we gotta open up all the layers first.
Okay. Wait, let's spin it.
So we got 4 more to go. Can I have
Whoa.
a time?
Yeah. Wait, let's just spin it. Here, McKenna, you can open this layer. So we got these little shoes from the last packet. They're really really cute, and they're like little sandals. So yeah. Do you got that one, or do you need a little
I
help?
think I just might need to spin this.
Right, spin it a little bit.
There.
There we go. Now we got another surprise out of this one. These surprises are so cute so far. Here.
So we got
Here's
two
the shape.
things. So we got two things. This one. Suppose my
It's
name
rolling away.
because that's what because
Oh look,
Here.
you
Oh,
only
no,
have
no, no,
one
no,
more
no,
side
no.
left.
okay. No, two more sides.
There. Here, open that one. Here, spin it all the way around. Here, you can open that while we're doing this. Where's the other
I
one?
got it.
Okay, so we're opening this, and it gets a little messy.
You have to open the other
So,
side to get it
we
out.
got these little, like, do they go on your hands? Yeah, it looks like they go on your hands, and they're like your little wristlets.
Here's another one. Now it's time to pull the string. So
Okay, wait,
That's
first
okay.
let's open this one. So in this one, we have, oh my god, it's a little outfit! And on it, it says troublemaker. And, oh, it says trouble. This is so cute of an outfit.
okay, now it's time to pull it.
Okay, pull it. Here, maybe we need to go over to here. Open. Pull it. Pull.
I am pulling
Why
it.
is it not opening? Oh! Whoa! That was a surprise. Okay, here, do you want me to help you open it?
No.
Okay. Whoa, look, this is such pretty confetti. It is very cute.
Oh my gosh, even this one comes with one board.
Let me open this. There's a little tab there for you to open it. You got it?
Oh, wow.
Whoa! Let's see which one you got.
Oh,
You got
Oh,
the
this
punk boy.
Oh, this one is actually a boy.
Oh, that's really cute. Look at the outfit. It will fit perfectly on him.
Oh no, it has a band-aid.
Here, look. So this little boy looks really cute. He has like a purple cheetah print on the side, and he has a mohawk, which mohawks are awesome, I'm just saying. And, whoa! On here, it says you can fill up their bottle. Right here, you can fill up their bottle, which we got a little milk carton, which we can fill up.
Oh, can I get it on plate?
And also, it looks like it will cry and spit out the water. So that's really cool. And it will also pee out the water. And then maybe it looks like if you put it in cold water, it will change color. So, are you trying to get the outfit on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need
So
help.
guys, this is really, really cool. So we really recommend this, and we'll see you all next time.
So first we gotta get these on.
And we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye!